In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start work from home in BambooHR. First, open your company's BambooHR link, for example, your company.bamboohr.com, and sign in with your username and password. You'll land on the main dashboard, which is your home base for everything else we're about to do. Before you start your day, check where your company keeps its remote work details. Different organizations store this information in different spots. On the homepage, look at announcements for any reminders or updates. You can also go to Files and open company files to find documents like a work from home policy. Some teams might place these under documents or even assign them through inbox tasks. The goal is to confirm what's expected for remote days. If your company requires a formal request to work from home, submit it in BambooHR. Go to Time Off, select Request Time Off, and choose the Work from Home category if it's available. Pick your date or dates, add a brief note if your manager expects context, and click Submit. Your manager will then approve or deny the request based on your team's rules. If time tracking is enabled for your account, clock in when you begin working from home. Go to Time Tracking or Timesheet and click Clock In to start. Work as you normally would, then clock out when you finish. If your policy requires it, add breaks to your timesheet. Accurate entries help HR track remote attendance and ensure payroll is correct. Some teams use daily check-ins. Open your inbox, usually at the top right with the bell icon, and complete any required form or status update. If there are daily tasks assigned, submit those here as well so your manager knows you're on track. During your WFH day, complete any assigned items such as daily reports, WFH agreements, or productivity forms. Open tasks, review your list, complete what's due, and mark each one. Done so nothing lingers. For ongoing communication, your company may use the performance area for feedback, goals, or notes. Open performance and add updates if your manager requests daily or weekly check-ins. Keeping this current helps align expectations. At the end of the week, submit your timesheet if your company uses time tracking. Open timesheet, review your remote hours, add notes if needed, and submit for approval. Optionally, keep your personal information current. Click your name in the top right, choose My Info, and update your address, contact details, or emergency contacts as needed. Finally, remember that BambooHR is the tool, but your company's policies govern remote work. Review policies, schedules, communication rules, and attendance requirements so your WFH days are smooth and compliant. And